the Customer Experience Lab is a showcase of technologies that we foresee to be becoming mainstream in retail in the future. It showcases these technologies that really will enhance the customer experience and the personalization for the customer's journey within our stores or on our channel or online channel.
Limited edition Adidas NMDs. That's so cool. Yeah, shop now.
Sales marketing optimization is a solution that gives organizations the power to assign the right offers to their customers through analytics.
We showcase two key pieces of technology, the first being the Proximity Marketing One solution, which makes use of a mobile application communicating with a Bluetooth beacon. This allows us to pick up the customer as he enters into the store, so we get positioning information, and then further on within the store and additional beacons, we're able to feed the customer marketing information, loyalty points, track the customer's positioning, etc. The second piece of technology is a chatbot called Pippa. This allows us to engage with the customer using natural language, using a text input field, allowing us to now engage as if it were a natural person speaking to the customer.
Today we'll be showcasing a product that we built in-house. It's called Product Locator. What it will do is it will allow a client who's entering into our stores such as Total Sports, Sportscene, to basically see the shoes on the shelf, look at the shoe and say, oh, well, is a shoe in stock, my size? That's what I want to know. So it will allow him to pick that shoe up, actually do a scan in store by himself, and it will come up on the screen with all the different sizes available for him in that store, plus his surrounding stores.
Here to tell you a little bit about the video analytics solution that we've developed. It uses facial detection and facial recognition software to detect people coming into the stores. Some of the applications of the technology is we can use it to detect people when they're coming into the store. Because we know that there's unique individuals, we can count them better while we exclude our store staff, which means we get a more accurate picture of our customer turnover rates. We can track an individual walking through our store, which means we get a heat map of where people are moving, how long they're in store. If they're standing in a queue, we can understand the length of a queue and how long a customer is standing in the queue.
The technology we were showcasing was a proof of technology we worked with IBM Watson and Sportscene on to sort of test the visual recognition capability of IBM Watson. Effectively what it was allowing us to search images using celebrity images that we passed through to our catalogue to try and find the closest matching products to the celebrities' items they were wearing in the photograph.
And the technologies that we showed here today, there's two technologies. The first technology is a mobile point of sale. As we see global trends at this stage is all about customer engagement. You can actually go to the customer and do the transaction on the floor for quick and efficient transactions. When you assist the customer on the floor, you can actually upsell the customer. So if you're looking at the customer to only buy a shirt, you can upsell it with a jean or some shoes and add additional discounts to increase the basket size.
So on our e-commerce site, we've added customer ratings and reviews. This actually allows the customer, after purchasing the product online, to rate and review the product that they've received. After the customer has done the rating and the review, it will then be published onto our sites, and then other customers can be enabled to actually go view all the different kind of reviews that's been done on the product. Adding this customer reviews will add additional 5% revenue onto our e-commerce sites.
GotBots is an omni-channel AI solution focusing on retail and CRM for businesses. What we illustrated today for Sportscene was the fact that you could now advertise on Facebook. It would be able to then push to Facebook Messenger to a chatbot service. From there you could then view all the shoes that you were looking for. You could then select a shoe, choose the size, check that it was in stock, and then actually make the purchase. It would then send you an invoice. And we have also integrated payment systems into the GotBot system that allows you to then pay for it and get it delivered to your door.
Exciting stuff. When can we implement? Awesome to see us moving into the future.
Great to see new technology and that in the practical application. I think the way it's packaged in the tour is very informative and brings a story and narrative to it which you can relate to. I think there's endless opportunities. I think your mind just starts wondering when you start seeing this. So yeah, fantastic. I guess be how fast we can deploy and how our competitors do the same.
Interesting to see some science fiction from 10 years ago coming to life.
Innovation is critical for the success of retail into the future. The group has to be at the forefront of the innovation and the technologies to be a leading player in the retail industry.